Hey, what is going on, you guys? John Shea here from the No Shame Income blog, and today I'm going to be talking about the top affiliate platforms that you could be using to find affiliate offers and start selling other people's products. But first, if you guys are brand new on the channel, be sure to throw me a thumbs up on the video, and as well, I actually will go back and respond to any comment left on this video. I'll go back and actually reply to your comment. Be sure to also subscribe on my channel. I'm releasing new videos each and every week. So yeah, let's dive in. I'm gonna jump over to my desktop here and I'm gonna walk you guys through several affiliate platforms that you can start using to build your business and basically sell other people's products. Alright guys, so I'm actually going to be walking you through several different affiliate platforms, kind of talking a little bit about each, maybe giving you a little bit better of an idea of where you may want to start looking when it comes to starting to promote affiliate products. I may also do some more videos in the future where I do a little bit more of a deep dive on some of these specific platforms and maybe more strategies around how you could go out there and actually promote. But in this video, I really wanted to go through and give you some ideas of where you could start looking if you're going out there seeking affiliate offers, and give you some idea of what to expect on these different affiliate platforms. So the first one I want to talk about is called Shareasale. This is one that really you've got all kinds of different vendors, really in a lot of different verticals, right? So once you've created an account on here, you can come in and basically start searching for different merchants, and you could find pretty much anything on this. They've got a whole wide range of categories, anything from like clothing to business to you know, anything from like small little niche type websites to just all kinds of different things you could really do. I mean, the possibilities here are endless, right? So to give an example would be, let's say we wanted to go out there and promote like weddings. Here's a whole section on just wedding type merchants, offers. Like here's an offer where you could join and promote this flower website if you want to offer flowers through like a niche site of yours or an authority website. Maybe you're making YouTube videos about weddings or anything to do with this. You could basically sign up for many of these different programs and you can actually start promoting. And the cool thing about this is they'll give you an idea of what each of these particular merchants are actually doing in terms of conversions. EPC means earnings per click. So on average, if you send someone to say My Wedding Favors, there's a pretty good chance you could probably earn about $23 for every average person you send through to their funnel, to their website, promoting their offers. So if you join the program through Shareasale, each of these merchants has to approve you, and then once you're approved, you can then go off and actually start promoting. This one I haven't particularly used a whole lot. Most of the products that I promote are more in the internet marketing space. I know that, for example, one of the vendors I was able to find on here was a SEO company. Let me see if I can find. Might have to add like .com. I don't know why they're not coming up in search. Oh, it's because I have wedding categories. Let me remove that. So here we go here. Bright Local. This is a company that offers like local SEO. And now that I've been approved, I can go in and actually get links. So I have different types of links depending on what I want to offer. Like they have special landing pages, maybe like a blog post that I could send people to, all kinds of different things. And you've also got other resources. So they give me all these banners I could use on my website. You can create customized links if you want, and they've even got a video resource I could use if I wanted to utilize that in my own marketing. So fairly straightforward. They give you an idea of like where each of these links go, and I can go in and get an idea. So like this is one here that I could use in any of my affiliate links. It's basically going to send people to this page where it's basically encouraging people to go sign up for a 14-day free trial. And if that trial converts into a paid customer, I will earn an income on that. So that's a pretty general idea of how Shareasale works. Another marketplace that's very popular is Clickbank. And again, similar to Shareasale, they offer a lot of info products, but they have a wide range of products from anything to do with like fitness to dating to internet marketing. Really, pretty much anything you can imagine as well is going to be on Clickbank, but you're definitely going to find a lot more info products, where Shareasale has probably more like physical vendors. Like if you wanted to sell mattresses, you're going to have a lot better time going with Shareasale to find something like that versus Clickbank, more offering the info products. So here's an example of a product here, Longtail Pro. You can actually go in, you'll get an idea of how much money you can earn from every sale. And this one, like they charge $37 a month, I believe, is your commission if you actually sell this product and get people to end up buying. I'm gonna actually see if I can log in. I haven't used this one in a while, so I'll be honest guys, I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get into it. They always have weird stuff with my password on this site. It's like they're constantly changing it. So it looks like I have to please open and review terms and conditions. Well, I'm not going to go through this. I'll probably do another video at a later time on this, because really the idea of this, right, is that you can find these info products. But I'm going to do a couple other affiliate platforms that I want to show you guys. Another one here is WarriorPlus, and this one's a little bit more catered to the internet marketing industry and ultimately offering internet marketing products. So this one I've done a decent amount of affiliate sales in. Here's like an idea of some things that I've done where I went out and I promoted all these different internet marketing products, and most of these products have earned me anywhere from as little as like 12 bucks all the way upwards of over $1,000. So I've done roughly about $4,000 in affiliate earnings by actually promoting these other people's products. Here's one that I consistently mention through a lot of my marketing that's done pretty well, where it's basically a WordPress theme for like marketing agencies. So I drove a lot of traffic to this offer, and on average I was able to make about $18 on every sale. And on average, every person that I send to this particular offer, I make $2 from. So that's pretty awesome, right? You can really get an idea of how many sales you're getting, the conversions, all the combination of all this stuff combined, and many other products here. Like this is another one I did a video review on, and over time I was able to make about 300 bucks. So that's not bad, right? For spending like, you know, less than an hour putting together a little video review and talking about a product, I was able to make almost $300 from that. And in fact, this was an older version of it, and the original version, I think I even made some more money with on a different platform. Yeah, here it is here actually, Arbitrage Underdog. I made like 80 bucks from the original. So same product, ended up making a little over 350 bucks. But yeah, another platform to take a look at would be Jvzoo.com. This is another one similar to WarriorPlus, also in the internet marketing industry. They do, you know, promote the idea of you could do other products in other verticals, but the most popular products are more in the internet marketing and digital marketing space. So this one I've done even more on. I've basically broke over the $10,000 mark promoting various products as an affiliate. One of the ones I promote most often here, Scope Leads. Just this one product alone, I've done over $3,000 selling it as an affiliate. And the reason this one's done so well is it has a recurring element. So when I do get someone to sign up, they pay every month, and I get 20% of that payment, and I just keep getting earnings each and every month. Some of the other products, like this one I did a YouTube video on, and it kind of went viral. Ended up doing really well and making a lot of money just promoting various types of different products. And that's really the idea here, is that with you know, utilizing these affiliate platforms, it's kind of just going in and picking some things that you believe in, that you feel you could promote to your audience, show them something that you feel is, you know, valuable, and then ultimately getting paid when people go and sign up through your link. So another affiliate platform that's very popular is promoting a software tool called Clickfunnels. This one's been extremely popular over the last couple of years, and I've done about $800 promoting this one, and I haven't pushed it too heavily, but the great part is that when people do sign up, you earn a recurring commission. So I've earned some affiliate income from other platforms and other services in the past, but I wanted to show you guys a few of the kind of primary ones where you could start looking at offers. And in the future, I'll probably be doing more videos where I go a little bit more in depth into some of these types of offers and things that I'm having success with, so you could go out and potentially start promoting as an affiliate as well. So if you like the video, be sure to subscribe, like this video, and again, I will be doing more videos each and every week. If you have questions for me, don't hesitate to leave a comment. And I would say if you're just getting started in affiliate marketing, you really want to start out, find something that's going to be easy to promote. Check out my #1 recommendation below in the video, and that would be my recommendation for really getting started with earning a full-time living online.